In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert draw.io in Word. To get started, make sure your diagram is already open inside the draw.io editor, which is also known as diagrams.net. Before you can place that diagram into a Word document, you first need to export it as an image file. This is important because Word can easily insert image formats, and that gives you a clean, portable version of your diagram that will display properly inside the document. At the top of the editor, go to the menu bar and click File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export As. You'll then see several format options, including PNG, JPEG, and SVG. Choose the one that works best for your needs. PNG is a solid choice for most diagrams because it keeps text and shapes looking sharp. JPEG can be useful, but it may reduce image quality a little. SVG is usually the best quality option if your version of Word supports it, since it can stay crisp even when resized. Once you select your format, an export dialog box will appear. This is where you can adjust settings like zoom and size. If you want your diagram to appear larger or more detailed in Word, take a moment to review these options carefully. You may also see a transparent background option. If that fits the look you want in your Word document, go ahead and check it. When everything looks right, click Export. A second dialog box will then open so you can choose the file name and where to save it. Save the file to your device in a location that's easy to find, such as your Downloads folder or desktop. That will make the next part much faster. Now switch over to Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to insert the diagram. At the top of Word, click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Then select Pictures. Your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to navigate to the location where you saved the exported diagram. Find the file, select it, and click Insert. You can also press Enter on your keyboard after selecting the file. Your draw.io diagram will now appear inside the Word document. From there, you can click on the image and resize or reposition it as needed so it fits neatly with your content. If you want the best results, try to export at a size that won't require too much stretching inside Word, since that helps preserve clarity. And that's all it takes. Export the diagram from draw.io, insert it into Word as a picture, and your visual is ready to use.